I'm going to show you how to create a drink experience called a Wildfire. And I say it's a drink experience because it involves 3 shots and a beer. We're going to start off with our first shot. That's going to be about 20 drops of your favorite hot sauce. So just about like that. All right, next we're going to do a shot of tequila. And that's going to be about an ounce. There we go. Then you're going to do a shot of peppermint schnapps, just like so. All right, so what we have here is a Wildfire. This is the fire starter. This is your propellant. This brings the fire under control. And lastly, the beer puts out the last of the flames. So that's the order you're going to drink them in. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're feeling brave, enjoy a Wildfire. Cheers.